Hey, hey, check out this Nissan. I mean, this is an old chalky enamel base coat. I mean, these clean up so easy with this. If you got one of these, just put the cleaner on like that. It's called Lukat Fix It. Hold the tail like this and just polish away. These things, it cleans it up so quickly, so easily. Look at that. Okay, you want to go back and forth. Don't put this on like a wax because there's no wax in it. It's a cleaner, not a wax. You can remove years and years of buildup, contamination, oxidation. You'll see paint coming off. It's perfectly fine. You want that because you want to remove all the bad stuff, all the oxidation. You want to get that stuff off. Once you get this cleaned up, I'm just going to square it out like this. Once you get this thing cleaned up, just get I use a tack cloth afterwards, or what you guys call microfiber towels. The point is to clean. Clean, 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 clean. Now, if you want to wax this paint job, you never want to wax this. You want to wax that. Lukat Fix It, guys. Join us in the fight against ugly paint job pollution. You don't have to drive around with a paint job like that. You can fix it with this. You can find us at lukatdetail.com on the internet, or go to YouTube and check our about system or the about section, and you can call us. If you got questions, call me. I love doing this stuff. Y'all have a great and happy Merry Christmas. Later, guys.